I've already applied my foundation because I know that if I do it on camera, it will take so long. Okay, I've already prepped my eyes as well. For today's look, I'm gonna use my Carly Bible palette. Oh my god, it's just so bad. No. Then for my transition, God, this is so bad. I'll use this shade. Sorry, Facebook. Center shade. I'm gonna blend it. The crease here. Once it's done, I will use my Australia's what is this called, the metallic eyeshadow. I will just use my finger. This is the in Pearl Jamming, and put at the lid like so. This. This from the palette. I'm going to take this one and place it at the crease. Yeah. my lashes, I'm gonna use eyeliner. My waterline. I said earlier on I want something soft. Now I'm gonna take like a brown bronzer that I use for my eyes. I'm gonna like smoke a bit, just a tiny bit. So look like this. Now I use my mascara for my bottom lashes. So once you're done, so basically I'm done doing my eyeshadow. Will end up looking like this. I already applied my bronzer. I'm just gonna like this. For my since it's really soft, the eyes, I'm gonna use my Stila blush. You want something soft, but please do put a bit more like the blusher, because this is what I realized. I always put this like very soft, subtle like blush and eyeshadow for my client, for my brides and bride. Your blush tak nampak, you won't get that blush like pink blush effect. So what you're gonna do is you can have to put like, if you know that you are gonna take more pictures, it's better, I suggest that you put more of the a bit thick at least the blush. For the blush, I'm using I'll mix this Stila and this City Color Be Matte blush in Fresh Melon, because this is like a very nice light baby pink, but when you apply it on your cheeks, looks nice. See that pink color? So nice. Like this. And then for my highlight, I'm gonna use my champagne pot. and I love my bride to look super glowy. Furthermore, it's the Nikah look, and everything is so soft, and then you want this highlight to be on point, right? Put it, keep it bones. Cheek. Loser. I always focus it on this part and this line here. Less is more. I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever MAC Kinda Sexy lipstick. I don't really like I prefer matte lipstick, but I don't typically go for like glossy lips because I'm a matte girl. If I do, and this is matte lipstick, Kinda Sexy MAC, but I don't know, I just typically don't go for like this kind of thing. Alright guys, so this is the finishing look for the soft bridal Nikah look. This is typically what I will do for my client for like if their engagement and for Nikah, because Nikah actually by right I wanted to do a Nikah look and then a Sanding look, but then because time constraint, so I'm gonna do this soft bridal Nikah look first. I will do a Sanding look, I don't know when, maybe next week, I'm not sure. So this is the look that I've created. Definitely do a Sanding look for you guys, because eventually I didn't have any time because I have to rush out because I'm late. Okay, my husband just left me because I just wanna upload this video for you. I just enjoy this look. It's just so soft and I just love it. So if you guys love this look, enjoy this look, and if you guys want to see more of my videos, any videos, name it, just let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoy it, please do like and subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.